Hello, this is Dana Castellano from the Fleetweather Ocean Forecast Center in New York. It is 8Z on July 8th, 2022. I'm going to do a brief overview of the Atlantic Ocean basin. In particular, I'm going to focus on the South Atlantic since it's pretty quiet in the north with no tropical systems and a relatively quiet weather pattern. First, taking a look at the Ventus-Sky satellite image. Here you can see that there is an area of low pressure, rather large area of low pressure here, high, and then another area of low pressure developing off the southwest coast of Africa. Taking a look at the latest GFS model run, another look at the area of low pressure that showed you on the satellite image here, rather potent system, high pressure again in the middle, and then an area of low pressure developing off the southwest coast of Africa. As you can see from this single image, most of the storm activity is associated with the South Atlantic gale tract, which can be found mostly 35 south latitude. Now I'm going to go forward in time and focus on this area of low pressure here. You can see it strengthens and there are swells associated with it up to 10 to 11 meters. That area of low pressure will continue eastward, bringing strong swells to the South African Capes by July 12th and 13th. Next, we'll focus on this area of low pressure here, beginning to develop, and going forward in time, you can see it consolidates and brings some high swells to the South African coast. From the Fleetweather Ocean Forecast Center in New York, this is Dana Castellano. Stay connected and safe.